Yo, what happened to my music? Jeez. What's up, party people? This is your boy Rich. And yeah, we're going to talk about this Aphria deal. Big deal proposed by Green Growth Brands. And Aphria is saying the deal is not really what they think they're worth. Interesting. So let's just talk about it. How's it going, yo? You know your boy Rich is here. Don't worry, never fear. Rich TV is here, man. We're going to break it down. So, Aphria calls Green Growth Brands' bid highly conditional and inadequate. What do you guys think about that? Is it highly conditional and inadequate? Is it fair? What do you guys think? I want to know what the people think. We're going to break it down. I'm going to explain it to you. But I want to know what the people think. I was playing some music and my phone just shut off. Like, how rude. Very rude. Very, very rude. So, it's a big deal. This is big news. We're going to go through it. But, man, I'm watching everything, like usual, for you, the people. And Aphria's up 10%, man. And let's take a look at Green Growth Brands. Remember who brought you guys Green Growth Brands first, eh? Just remember that. Don't ever forget that. Remember that. Obviously, I brought everything first, but I just want to remind you of who brought Green Growth Brands first. The most electrifying company in the cannabis sector. And, oh, did I not tell you guys it was going to go up? Yeah, well, guess what? Guess what? 23%. I mean, what do I gotta say, man? Everyone, it's gonna go down on this news, Rich. It's gonna go down on this news, Rich. No, it's gonna go up. It's gonna go down on this news, Rich. It's gonna go down on this news, Rich. No, it's gonna go up. It's up. Okay, so why is it showing 1.36% here? And then it's showing 23% here. So either way, it's up. Maybe only a little bit. But, and I told you guys that Aphria was going to go up after this news. And of course, Aphria is up too. So I still believe Aphria is highly, highly undervalued. And I believe that Canopy, probably, and Tilray for sure are highly overvalued at these prices. And I feel like Aurora Cannabis is highly undervalued. So yeah, Aphria, as you can see, is up 10% today. And let's take a look at Aurora, which I also think is extremely undervalued right now. That's my opinion. Now remember, Rich TV Live is strictly for education and entertainment purposes. Always do your due diligence. Always do your research before you invest in anything that we talk about here on Rich TV Live. I am not a licensed advisor. I'm just an investor just like you guys, man. I just try to bring you guys the winners, and I try to bring you guys the truth, and I try to bring it to you first. That's it, man. I think this company is highly undervalued. If you look at its chart for 1 year, you will see that we're right now close to the bottom. And I keep marking this for you guys to show you guys that we're right by the bottom. So, I'm going to be buying Aurora soon, maybe even after this video. I like this company at these prices. I mean, I don't know what else I got to show you. It's pretty obvious. Look at the chart. This is a company that's only getting bigger. This is the only stock you need to really buy, really. So you pick it up at $4.95 and it runs back up to $11.57, which is its all-time high, which it's going to do it again. It will do it again. So will it stay there? It'll probably go up and then come right back down because that's what it does. It did it twice in 2018. Look, it did it in January, and then it did it in October. So why not again? I think Aurora's a buy. Look at this. Look at this chart. That's called buying at the bottom. And then when it goes up to $11 in America, sell at the top. Pretty simple. So let's just talk about this news. So Aphria calls Green Growth Brands... Yo, ill kid, chill. Aphria calls Green Growth Brands bid highly conditional and inadequate. Really? Now, my question to Aphria is, and hey, I'm just trying to be objective here, okay? I don't want to just be objective here. My question to Aphria is, if this offer is inadequate, then why have you not responded to the allegations from the short sellers? And why is the stock beaten up so bad since the short sellers came out with their accusations? That's my response to Aphria. Because now Aphria is trying to flex their muscle, but the reality is you got no muscle to flex. You're in a position of weakness. Everybody knows this. This is why Green Growth Brands is such a genius company for making this move. This move is genius. Now, like if you're selling a house and somebody comes to you and says, okay, you're selling for $1 million, I'll give you 800 grand. You don't have to right away go and take the 800 grand. You might get other bids. Other people might say, hey, wait a second, I'll give you 850. I'll give you 900. I'll give you $1 million. So what I believe is going to happen, what a lot of you have already said to me you believe is going to happen, which I think you guys are right because you guys are smart. Other people are going to come out of the woodworks. Other companies are going to come out of the woodworks with even more cash, like Aurora Cannabis, like Cannabis Growth. And they're going to say, hey, what about us? We got the money. Why don't you partner with us? We'll give you even more. I mean, this is all about market share. So Aphria is a big player, and Green Growth Brands is relatively new. So to come into the picture now and try to acquire a first mover is a huge move for Green Growth Brands. Huge move for Green Growth Brands. So, Yoda, I'm going to make you a moderator right now, bro. There you go, brother. You're a moderator, man. So, let's just get into this. So, Aphria Inc., APHA on the New York Stock Exchange, APHA on the Toronto Stock Exchange, today responds to the unsolicited proposal by Xanthic Biopharma Inc., otherwise known as Green Growth Brands, GGB in Canada, GGBXF in America, to acquire all of the company's outstanding common shares in an all-stock transaction based on the 20-day volume weighted average price of GGB shares and the expressed exchange ratio of 1.5714 common shares of GGB for every Aphria share. The proposed bid would be approximately 23% below the company's average share price over the same period. Aphria shareholders should be aware that the value of GGB's per share offer is based on a hypothetical valuation of its own shares with no relation to the current price. GGB's management presented the offer to Aphria the morning of December 27, 2018, yesterday, and immediately went public with its proposal less than 6 hours later and after the market closed on the same day. The board believes GGB is attempting to acquire the company through a highly conditional offer at a significant discount to its current and future value. Well, my response to this is, if you believe that, why are you not responding to the accusations from the short sellers? You are not in a position of power. You're in a position of weakness. So what GGB is doing is brilliant. It's actually genius. They're doing what every company should be doing. It's what investors do. They throw out a lowball offer. Now, you're trying to respond to this, but you're not going to respond to the reason that got you to this, which is short sellers accusing you of fraud. So you don't respond to that, your stock plummets and you lose billions of dollars in value. Now you got someone trying to do a hostile takeover and you're going to respond to that? That's the part I don't understand. This is the part I don't understand. This is the part I'm not getting right now. I'm not trying to call anybody out. I'm just being honest. It's like you want to respond to this when it's already too late, but you're not going to respond to a short seller that's destroyed your entire image, your share price, your brand in the public eye. You said you were going to respond line for line, word for word, and you have not responded. That doesn't create confidence. Now, Green Growth Brands sees the weakness and they jump in here with a lowball offer, and now you're responding to the lowball offer because you have to. Because it's already too late. If they're worth more, why are they not trading higher? While we appreciate GGB's interest in the value we have created at Aphria and our significant growth prospects, their proposal falls short of rewarding our shareholders for participating in such a transaction. Further, the proposed offer is quite risky given GGB's condition to complete a brokered financing at a price that is more than double the recent average of their share price as a key term to the proposal, said Erwin Simon, chair of Aphria. And they announced Erwin Simon as the chair of Aphria yesterday. So, like, there's a lot of dominoes falling here. I don't know if you guys can connect the dots, but is this out of panic? I mean, I have a song for you guys. Aphria, I have a song for you guys. I have a song for you guys. Should you sell your Aphria shares? I don't know. I think they're going to go up. So what does that tell you? It's going up. I told you it was going to go up yesterday, and it's gone up. So should you sell your shares? I don't know. Look at the chart. It's been as high as $17 in America. It's currently at $6. The lowest it's been this year is $4.80. It's at $6.14. I think it's going to go higher. Absolutely. I just look at the charts, man. Numbers don't lie and charts don't lie, but people do. This is at the bottom of the chart, yo. Round and round we go. Don't panic. Don't panic. Yo, Aphria, man. What are you guys doing, man? Like, what's going on, man? Don't panic. Don't panic. Like, it's dominoes falling. The dominoes are falling. $52-week low, and we are green. As I told you, we would be up 4% in North America. Buy low, how to sell high. It's true. Round and round we go. Don't panic. Don't panic. T-God. Finally, some life. T-God. Don't panic. Don't panic. Aurora's almost in the green. Aurora's so juicy at these prices. T-God is dirt cheap. T-God's as low as it's ever been. So when you look at charts, T-God's as low as it's ever been. So yeah, I like T-God. Hell yeah, I like T-God. T-God a lot of money, and they're building a beautiful company. But they got no revenue right now, so that's the problem there. So just like reading all the news. There's a lot of news, right? It's lots of news. Lots of news. Interesting news. Very interesting news happening. Let's look at the market overall. Let's look at Market Watch for a second here. Wow, we're green again. Oh my goodness, this market is nuts. We are going into 2019, and it looks as though we're going in the green, people. We're up 49 points on the Dow, 6 points on the S&P 500, 17 points on the Nasdaq, 25 points on the global Dow. Oil is in the green, gold is in the green. Wow, interesting stuff. Interesting stuff. Very interesting stuff. And let's get into this a little bit deeper. See what's going on in all the rest of the markets today. While we do that, let's go back to this. The Aphria Board of Directors has established an independent committee of directors to consider this proposal and any formal offer received. I believe there's going to be more offers on the table. As previously disclosed, Aphria holds a passive investment in Green Acre Capital Fund, which we understand has invested in numerous emerging cannabis companies, including Green Growth Brands. Interesting. The independent committee is comprised of directors with no relation to Green Acre Capital Fund 2 or Green Growth Brands. Aphria will continue on the execution of its current corporate strategy, including its international expansion plan and the growth of its unique assets. Well, I think this response is good, and I think Aphria stock is going to go up, which it obviously is. But my interesting response to this interesting response is, why are you responding to this and not the shareholders and the short traders that have destroyed you publicly? Wow, look at the movers today, guys. You guys want to see some movers? Woo! GLAE up 114%. Awesome. AWSM. Yo, AWSM on fire. Up 56%. ASTI, Ascent Solar, up 57%. Pill. What a day for Pill, up 30%. James E. Wagner, up 27%. JWCAF. Livewire Ergonetics. LVVV, up 25%. Axim Biotech, AXIM, up 22%. Agora Holdings, AGHI, up 23%. Pure Global Cannabis, PURE, up 23%. Medicine Man Technology, MDCL, up 22%. Acreage Holdings, oh my goodness, it is on fire, up 21%. Blue Line Protection, BLPG, one of my picks, up 21%. Woo! Security for the cannabis sector, Sphere 3D, ANY, up 21%. Caliex BioVentures, CYX, up 20%. Rocky Mountain High Brands, RMHB, up 18%. MaryMed, MRMD, up 17%. Indiva, up 14%. SOL Global, we talked about this one yesterday, guys. I told you these are the guys that were being investigated for the fraud allegations from the short sellers. SOL Global, and I told you based on this news, they'll probably go up today, and they're up today. SOL up 13%, having a monster day at $1.82 now. LGC Capital, up 13%. LG is the symbol. True Leaf Medicine, MJ at 40 cents, up 12%. Delta 9 Cannabis, NINE, up 12%. INND, up 11%. Below, BLO, up 11%. Belmont Resources, BEA, up 11%. TBP, I think that's 2 days in a row now. Tetra Biopharma, up 10%. Biome Grow, BIO, up 10%. I2 Bioscience, AYTU, up 10%. Aphria, now up 11%. Tidal Realty, RLTY. Tidal Royalty, RLTY, at 10.5 cents, up 10%. Emerald Health, EMH, up 11%. Vitality Biopharma, this one was up 1,100% yesterday, up another 10% today at 55 cents. Keep your eye on it. They're building. And Isodiol, up 12%. Viridium Pacific, VIR, up 10%. Tinley Beverage Company, TNY, up 9%. TGOD, up 9%. OGI Organogram, up 8%. Sproutly, SPR, up 8%. Metinez Biopharma, MTNB, up 8%. Canopy Rivers at $2.75, up 8%. Vividia, VIDA, up 8%. Micron Waste, MWM, up 9%. Alliance Growers, ACG, up 7%. Canna Royalty at $6.45, up 7%. Radiant Technology at 72 cents, up 7%. Do you guys see what's up here? Envirotech, ETII, up. Yo, is this a cannabis stock resurrection, man? I got a song for this. What's up, man? There's a lot of winners. Yo, Amanda, you're a moderator now, girl. Let me make you a moderator. There you go. It's a resurrection. I told you guys, man, not to panic. And how about BVO? I also brought you guys BVO. First. And BVO at $5.05, up 6%. I also brought you guys True at 44 cents right now. I think it's a screaming buy, up 5%. I also told you guys that Cura was one of my top picks of 2018, and it is now at $6.60, up 5%. Fire, doing that deal with Wiz Khalifa, up 5%. True Leaf Cannabis, a monster at $9.85, up 6%. ICAN, up 2%. YOLO, YOLO, up 5%. G-Tech Holdings, GGTTF, up 5%. Vivo, coming off life support, up 5%. 22nd Century, XXII, up 5%. Tesla, having a big run, a big 2-day run here. Tesla, up 5%. Bitcoin Investment Fund, GBTC, at $4.22. That was at $20 at one point. It's up 4%. Evolve Marijuana, Seed, at $18.93, up 4%. Naturally Splendid, NSP, up 4%. So you can see, like, a lot of things are up today. So what have I missed, guys? What do we got to look at? Show me. Hey, guys, if you want me to stay live, smash the like button, okay? Smash the like button. Share this video everywhere. Comment down below. Let the people know your boy Rich is live. Like, we're live. Like, you can give me your picks, and we'll look at it right now. Like, right here, right now, live. It's true. Or I got to go. Because if you got no picks for me, what are we doing? It's Friday. It's the weekend. It's time to party. New Year's is coming. You guys got your New Year's plans ready? What you guys gonna be doing on New Year's, man? I got some surprises for you guys, man. VT. I gotta look at VT. Is VT worth my time? Let's take a look. Let me know what I gotta look at right here, right now, today. What's popping? Let's go. Ooh, 56% buy. I like that. Long-term, the trend strength is strong. Long-term indicators fully support a continuation of the trend. Woo-wee! I like this one. Yo. I like this one. Yo, what's up, Jason? Yo, Jason, I'm going to make you a moderator, bro. You're a moderator now, bro. You're a moderator, man. Yo, BTVT. What's up? Up 157%? Yo. Let me add that to my portfolio. That looks nice. I like those moves, man. VTVT. Yo, what's up? Computer's freezing? Too many winners? Yo, investing.com, what's up? You guys can't handle all the winners? Can you add one more winner? I've been telling you guys to buy in the low, man. Everybody panicking. I'm like, yo, just chill, man. Now's the time to buy. If you were buying in the red, right now you're just chilling, laughing, all the way to the bank. You think these stocks are going anywhere, man? Come on, man. You think your boy's going anywhere? I know where we're going up. But we ain't going anywhere but up. Understand that. We got all the winners here first, right? It's true. I mean, it's true. Yo, this shit's on fire. Yo, it's popping. It's popping. Strong buy. It's the coalition. We're on a mission, man. So when I'm looking to buy, I'm shopping in the red. Right? You shop in the red, right? And then when you're selling in the green. Like if you're up 166%, my goodness, you gotta think. Press that button. Abort ship. Take the money and run. Because once the shorters see this, yo, acreage is moving, eh? Acreage is popping. Yo, acreage, I told you guys about acreage, man. It's a beast. I've been telling you guys, it's a beast. Big boys behind this company right here, man. Look at that. Strong buy. Neutral. Man. The rich people buy when everything's down. When everybody's panicking. When you're panicking. When everybody else is panicking, the rich are buying. And then when everything goes up and everyone's like, I'm so great, it's up. They sell it. I keep telling you guys over and over, man. Yo, Acreage Holdings is a beast, man. Haven't you seen who's behind it? Some big players behind Acreage, man. These stocks don't just explode for no reason. There's a reason. They got big players behind them. James E. Wagner, this company's a beast. Strong buy. Look at that. Up 27%. That's the big mo. It's got momentum. Yo, what else is popping? What else is popping, people? What else is popping? I want to know what's popping. Give me the winners, people. Remember, this whole thing is about your eyes and your ears on the prize, eh? Cannabis stock revolution. Like, we're going to find the winners first. There's no doubt about that. We've been doing this for 2 years, okay? We're going to find the winners first, and we've been doing this for 2 years. So I promise you, we'll keep finding the winners, man. And I promise you, they are going to go down, and I promise you they're going to go up. Promise you. Consistently. They will consistently do that over and over and over again. Okay? You guys really want me to look at NF. We'll look at NF. I'm not a big fan of this company. Okay? It's not my pick. It's one of your guys' picks. 64% sell. Don't like that. Not a lot of momentum. Penny stock, 6 cents. I don't think I have anything else to say about this company. It's trash. Okay, give me a real pick. Give me a real pick, man. Seriously. ABIL. Now, I know ABIL has been getting promoted. Give me a real pick, man. Not this trash. ABIL is getting promoted. What do I think about it? You know, it's promoted, so it could go up, it could go down. It's 50-50. If the promoter does a good job, it's going to go up. If the company's just looking to sell into their promotion, it's going to go down. It's being heavily promoted. It's up 12% today. So good job to the promoters. They've kept it in the green. HPMM. Yeah, so what's up with HPM? So yesterday, HPMM was on fire, right? And I told you guys it's been up 600% in the last 5 days. So today it went down. As soon as it went down, I immediately looked. I was like, yo, it's down 40%. This is a buying opportunity. Every time this thing goes down, it goes back up. I'm not telling you guys to buy this, okay? But I just want you guys to see a trend. Let's see. It was 100% buy, top 1% signal strength yesterday, with the top 1% of maintaining the same direction. Now it's down 60%. So it's crashed. It's losing momentum. Let's see how far and how low it goes. At some point, I don't own this stock. I'm just watching it go up and down like crazy. At some point, it might hit the floor and explode back up because that's what it's done. Let's take a look at his chart. And thank you, Amanda, for this pick. We literally got this pick when it was at like 20 cents. And it went all the way to $2.70 yesterday. It's back down to $1.30. Like, look at this chart. Like, this is insane. This is one of the most craziest 5-day charts you're going to see. Let's look at the 5-day chart. There's a 5-day chart. So see how they went all the way up yesterday? To, wow, $3.20. My goodness, that's insanity. So it went as high as $3.20, and it's right back down today to $1.26 as we speak, down 61%. So the shorters got that meat on that bone, and the shorters are like, okay, whoever's greedy and whoever didn't sell, we're slaughtering them today. Now, at some point, this bad boy is going to hit this floor, and I predict it's going to go back up. Don't ask me why. Just call it a hunch. I have a feeling. I don't know why. I might be completely wrong. It might go back down to 20 cents. But I just got this feeling, the way this thing is traded, that it kind of goes up and down, and it's very little volume. So let's look at the volume today. The volume's been building, don't get me wrong. So you see the volume is 362,000 shares. It's not millions of shares. Nobody really still knows. It's starting, people are starting to know about this company. So the insiders and the investors who have made a killing on this, because as you can see, it's up 141% still in the last 5 days, they're all selling. They're all selling. They're all selling. They're taking their pound of flesh. They're taking their pound of flesh. And the shorters that watch us, hey shorters. Hi guys. What's up? The shorters and the haters and the trolls. In fact, I have a song for you guys. The shorters, they see the meat on the bone and they take it. You think they're not watching right now? You think they ain't watching this? They're watching. So they see this bad boy go up to 325 and they say, oh, the insiders are selling, day traders are selling, shorters are shorting. Right back down. So see all that momentum is pushing down? At any point in time, this could either turn around or keep going lower. Very risky. Very risky. I'm not suggesting anybody should buy it, but I'm just saying I've seen this do that. It goes up, it comes down, then it shoots up again. It's crazy. It's nuts. I don't know. I don't know. What do you think, Amanda? You think it's going to come back up? Oh, it's going down even more right now. It's at $1.19. It's down 63%. It's crazy. It's just mental. It's nuts. T-God is a beast, a sleeping giant. It's got God in it. I mean, it's got the word God in it. I mean, it's going to succeed. Let's be honest. It's either going to succeed or it's going to get acquired. Those are the only two things that are going to happen. Woo! Look at T-God. It is blowing as we speak. It is exploding as we speak. T-God is on fire. Wow. Telling you guys, love T-God, man, is grossly undervalued at these prices. Grossly undervalued at these prices. Come on, we know this. It's now up 14%. Ah, look at that move. Huge explosion for T-God. But you can see, over the 1 year, still at the bottom. Look at this chart. It's at the bottom. What do I teach you guys? Buy low, sell high. I'm telling you guys, buy now. Buy now. We're at the bottom. Buy now. And then when it goes up, I'm going to tell you, sell now. Sell now. Sell now. I'll tell you guys, man, we have had an amazing Christmas. You guys are looking at it like, oh man, the markets are getting crushed. I'm sitting here thinking, yo, this is Christmas time, man. This is Christmas. Isn't this what we want at Christmas? Look at the power. See how you see all the indicators, the red and the yellow, shooting up? Those are my indicators that I use to determine power and strength. And for me, momentum is everything. Momentum is everything. And when you have the big mo and you have that momentum, nothing can stop you. Market makers determine the market, not me. Market makers determine the market, not the short traders. Market makers determine the market, not 1 millionaire or 1 billionaire. Market makers determine the market, not one hedge fund, not one institution. Market makers determine the market. News fuels the market. Good or bad news will fuel the market. The market makers determine the market. We are simply just playing a game within the game. And what we're going to do here, Rich TV Live, is we're going to master the art of buying in the red and selling in the green. And we're going to teach you guys how to become masters. And once you learn how to make $400 a day, you too can learn to have the laptop lifestyle. You can have the freedom to sit here at home and make videos like your boy Rich. It's true. You know, we have people from the age of 18 all the way to 80 that watch Rich TV Live, that are learning how to survive in these markets, that are learning how to thrive in these markets. With the help of the community, anything is possible. In fact, we have a member of our community that's 18, and next week, your boy Rich is going to be doing a show with an 18-year-old that's trading, that's part of our community. So we're going to be the only show that I know that's going to be teaching kids how to buy stocks, teaching men and women how to buy stocks, absolutely free. I don't want your money, guys. I want your eyes and ears on the prize. I want you to bring me the winners so we can talk about it live and I can show you guys what's happening live. Hence the name Rich TV Live. You know what I mean? So if you guys have any picks that are popping right now, just like T-God, I want to know what is popping right now. Straight up. I want to know what's popping right now. I want you guys to smash that like button. If you don't smash that like button, I'm going to leave this stream and we're not going to have any more picks. So if you want me to stay live, give me your picks. Smash that like button. Share this video everywhere, guys. Please, give me your picks if you want me to stay live. I want your picks. All right? I want your picks, man. Straight up. I want your picks. I want to know what's popping. What's popping? What's popping? Namas is popping? Is Namas popping? I only want to know what's popping, man. What's popping? I'm giving you guys my picks. Can you give me your picks? And then we can all share picks. You know, you bring your friends and I'll bring my friends and we can all be friends on the weekends. That's my boy right there, man. See, Namas stays in the red. I don't want to look at that. Yo, VBIO. Check this out. Now up 30%. Yo, VBIO, guys. Put it on full alert. This bad boy is moving, eh? Put this on full alert. This bad boy is moving right now. That's what I'm talking about. The big mo. Momentum. Sneak attacks are happening, people. These companies have to do sneak attacks to raise money. They are in the cannabis sector. They are going to continue to explode. There will be sneak attacks of epic proportions. It'll happen when you least expect it. That's why your boy Rich is on top of it. Bringing you these picks, bringing you these winners live, interactive, so you guys can see what's happening. Understand what I'm doing here? You guys get this? This ain't no gimmick. This ain't no trick, eh? This ain't no gimmick and this ain't no trick. This is real. What I'm bringing you is real for free. Yo, the Dow Jones is now down 10 points. S&P 500 still green. NASDAQ up 9 points. Global Dow down, up 22 points. Gold is up slightly and oil is up slightly. We are at war in the markets every single day. It's a war between the positive people that think stocks are going to go up and then the negative people that are going to panic sell, short sell, and believe stocks are going to go down. Just understand it's a war. Over time, Warren Buffett always says, I believe in the American economy. Over time, historically, the American economy grows. I believe in that, thus I think long term. If you think long term, if you believe in the American economy, if you invest in the best companies that are revenue generating, you're going to win. It's that simple. You're going to win. If you invest in highly volatile stocks, if you invest in penny stocks, if you invest in risky companies, if you invest in companies with shady pasts, if you invest in companies that do reverse splits that hurt shareholders, if you invest in companies with management that are scammers, if you invest in companies that have a skull and bones, if you invest in stocks that have a stop sign, if you invest in stocks that have a yield sign, if you invest in companies that are not fully reporting, you're going to potentially put your own money at risk. Why would you want to risk your own money? Have you ever thought about that? I got all the tools of the gods right here, guys. Breaking news, all right here. Stocks, every tool I'm showing you guys, right here. Absolutely free, guys. All of this is brought to you because of YouTube. YouTube has changed my life. I love you, YouTube. Like, honestly, I love YouTube. It's changed my life. The North American market is flying right now, guys. We are flying. So, I love me some YouTube. And YouTube has changed my life. And because of YouTube, so many doors have opened up. Doors that I never even thought possible have opened up for me. Okay? And I'm going to be honest with you, this is just the beginning. I love you, YouTube, man. Honestly, you can say whatever you want, but YouTube is the #1 streaming platform in the world for a reason. Now, I want to show you guys about bar chart. See, even though bar chart is saying this is an 88% sell, with a weakening short-term outlook on maintaining the current direction, long-term, the trend strength is maximum. So they're saying that maximum strength of down right now for VBIO, but yet VBIO is up 30% today and 1,100% yesterday. So what's happening here is bar chart is saying that they still have selling pressure even though they're up 30% right now. So be very careful with VBIO. This might explode further and bar chart might change its opinion. But right now, bar chart is still saying there's a lot of selling pressure. So be very careful here with VBIO, okay? I think all of you guys should be on YouTube. This is the future, man. Yeah, we can talk about the Aphria deal, man. Aphria doesn't believe this is a good deal. What do you guys think? Aphria doesn't believe this is a good deal. They are responding to this deal by saying they don't believe it's a good deal. They believe they're worth more. But my response to Aphria is, why are you responding to this deal right now when you've been beaten down? Because you didn't respond, even though you said you would respond, to the accusations from the short sellers that said you were doing fraud. So you said you were going to respond line by line. You have yet to respond line by line. Now you're responding to this right away, saying, this is not a good deal for us, we're worth more. Well, maybe you are worth more, and you would be worth more if you actually responded with force to the short sellers that accused you of fraud. I mean, I'm just being honest, guys. I have nothing against Aphria. I wish Aphria the best. You guys know that I love this industry. I only want Aphria to do well. As an advisor, if I was working with this company, which I'm not, if I was being compensated by this company, which I am not, but if I was an advisor to Aphria, I would have already responded to the accusations by the short seller weeks ago with force. That's all I have to say. I'm not suggesting you should sell Aphria. I believe Aphria is going to go way higher. I really do. I really believe that Aphria is going to go way, 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 way higher. So I think Aphria is at a good price. So I'm not saying you should sell Aphria. I'm just saying that Aphria needs to respond to the accusations by the short sellers that called them a fraud. That is my opinion. Now, if you look at their one-year chart, you can see, and I've showed you this already, they're at the bottom. So I believe that Aphria is going to go higher. I really do. Now, is there any other stocks that are moving today that we need to talk about? We've been live for 46 minutes. I just want to know what stocks we need to be looking at right now, what stocks you guys are watching, what stocks you think are on fire. This is my portfolio that I look at every day. This is my watch list that I look at every day. And these are the picks that are popping right now. If there's anything that I'm missing, if there's anything that I need to add to this, let me know now. Otherwise, I got to roll. And please, smash that like button. Smash that like button. Yes, VT is on fire today, up 155%. We talked about it. Give me the symbols, guys. Give me the symbols. Tell you something about Hemp Inc. I think Hemp Inc has potential. But I don't think it's, I don't think it's one of the better companies out there as far as generating revenue. My top 5 right now are, this is Hemp Inc. So you can see they've had a wild ride this year, up and down. They've been higher. They've been as high as, a little 4.5 cents kind of area. They're currently at 3 cents. They've been as low as 2. They've been as low as under 2, a little under 2 this year. And they're currently at 3. They haven't really done much. Haven't done much of anything. So I don't know. They're not, to me, that exciting. They're not that exciting to me. I think there's better picks out there. So I think there's better picks out there. My top 5, which I already told you guys multiple times, you've been watching Rich TV Live. My top 5 are MMEN, MedMen. Love this company. Love MedMen. I think it's a monster. I think it's just an absolute monster. MMEN, MedMen is going to be a monster. Strategically located in America at $3.63. Are you kidding me? This bad boy is going to go way higher. I believe this is going to double from these prices. I'm going to give you my Fab 5 right now. So there's MedMan, Cura, and I already did this top 5, but I'll do it again. Cura, Beast, love this company. Just recently was near a bottom, and I believe this company has so much upside. So much upside. CURLF in America, CURA in Canada. Love Cura. Curaleaf is just a monster. I think this company is going to be such a beast. Look at that. Up 6% today. So I'm not surprised. I think they're going to go way higher. Way higher. Love this company. Has so much potential. Aurora. Dirt cheap right now. Every time I look at it, it just makes me want to buy it. It's just so cheap right now. So yeah, Aurora. Such a good company at these prices. Curaleaf, Aurora, MedMen. 3 surefire winners, guys. 3 surefire long-term winners. Okay? I mean, I think all 3 of them will double from these prices. I really do. Will they stay there? Probably not. But they will go up 100% from these prices. You can book it. So right there, those are 3 winners. I just gave you guys for free. I didn't ask you for your money. I'm just giving you these picks free. Those are 3 winners that will make you money in 2019. And let's give you 2 more since, I'm in a giving mood. Kush Bottles. Love these guys. Absolutely love these guys. Just beast. Just absolute beast. Okay. Absolute beast. And they're up 2% today at $5. These bad boys going up to at least 7. At least 7 in 2019. Probably 8, 9, 10. So yeah, I think this could go up 100%. And I also like Xanthis. With the deal with MPX, they are positioned to be an absolute monster. So I believe Xanthis Capital, ITHUF in America, IAN in Canada. Those are my top 5 for 2019 right now. It could change. Anything could change. There's different reasons why other companies are not in the top 5 right now, but those are my top 5 right now, and all of them are strong sells on bar chart. So you could still get them for cheaper, but you could see Xanthis is up 4% today too. So those are my Fab 5, and I believe all of them will double in 2019 from these prices today. Will they stay at those prices? Probably not. These stocks go up and down. They're very volatile, but I believe at some point they will all double, and you'll get an opportunity to double your money in 2019 if you're patient. If you're patient. And remember, Xanthis has acquired MPX, and that deal is going through in January, at the end of January. So don't forget that, this is a huge acquisition for Xanthis, and those revenues are going to be on Xanthis's balance sheet. So I think that this is a great partnership and is going to make Xanthis a household name. And you can see MPXEF is at 61 cents, up 3.55% right now. So those are the picks that I'm looking at today. Thank you guys for watching today. If you're not winning, you're not watching. This is your boy Rich. I bring you guys the winners, and I bring them to you first. It's true. I bring you guys the winners, and I bring them to you first. I bring you guys the news. I bring it to you first. I explain to you guys what's up with the Aphria deal. I hope you guys enjoyed the show today. If I don't talk to you guys, have a great weekend. If I don't see you guys, which I probably will, because, I'm always live. I'm always dropping videos. If I don't see you guys, have a happy New Year's. Have a great weekend. Thank you guys for watching. I love you guys. It's your boy Rich. Bring you the winners. Bring you the news. Bring you the news first. Aphria! Respond to the short seller who's calling you a fraud. You're responding to GGB trying to take over your company because your company got decimated by a short seller who's called you a fraud. Respond to them. Then watch your stock explode. I still think Aphria is a buy. I think Aurora's a buy. I think Aphria is a buy. I think MedMen's a buy. I think Curaleaf is a buy. I think Kush Bottles is a buy. I think Xanthis is a buy. I think T-God is a buy. And yeah, T-God's on fire. All right. We'll get you some parting music, and I'm out. Your boy's got to run. I got things to do, people to see. New Year's is coming, long weekend. You know what I mean? Shit's happening. Shit's happening. Shit's popping. We're in the cannabis sector. Get you guys some parting music. Don't worry. We'll get you some parting music. We'll get you some parting music. All right. We'll leave you with this because I think it's important. This message is very important for day traders and investors. Don't ever panic. When you're an investor, please don't ever panic. Don't panic. Don't panic. Ooh, T-God. 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 Round and round we go. Don't panic, don't panic. Watch the show. Don't panic, don't panic. VT on fire. Yo. Aphria calls Green Growth Brands bid highly conditional and inadequate? Really? Is it really? Yo, that's some big news, Romano. That's some big news. Yo, Frank, I'm going to make you a moderator, bro. I like you, bro. I'm going to make you a moderator, Frank. Bam, you're a moderator, man. Yo, if you want to be moderators, let me know right now before I go. Don't panic. Yeah, it's undervalued because they devalued themselves by not responding to the short sellers. I don't know if it's hostile. They spoke to their board and offered it to their board first. So I don't know if it's hostile. It's kind of hostile. Somewhat hostile. I still think Aphria is going up, but that's me. All right, guys. I'm out. I'm officially out. Peace.